Hey. Hey! Hey! Oh my god, finally! You looked in my direction. Don't look back at the screen! Honey! You have already been working on the damn report for hours now. Okay? Enough is enough. No, you don't need to finish it today. Oh, don't pull that on me, okay? You said you had until the end of the week. I don't care. What? Well, maybe I wouldn't be more needy than usual if you just give me some love and affection. You've just been typing and typing and typing. Aren't you tired? Don't you want to just lay on the couch with me, pet my ears, and stroke my fluffy tail? Aha, I can see in your eyes you want it. Why are you denying not just me, but yourself this snuggly goodness? Your boss? Oh, I'm sure your boss is fine. She can handle not getting that report early. It's not slacking if you're always overperforming. Yes, I am growling at you. Deal with it. You leave me no choice. Ow! I didn't mean for us both to land on the floor, smartass. I just want it in your lap. Nuh-uh. I don't care if the floor is cold. Your chest is nice and warm though. Perfect for cuddling. Consider the cold floor your punishment. Now, how about you put those two arms of yours to use and cuddle me? If you do a good job, I might let you move to the couch. I might. You're right. I am enjoying myself. Very much. This is what I've been waiting for all day. Perfect. Keep scratching behind my ears like that. Oh, don't act like you don't like it. You're enjoying this just as much as I am. Everybody loves cuddles. Yep, even grandpas make you. Give me those lips. My day? Well, it started pretty badly as I woke up to an empty bed. Thanks to someone working too much. Oh yes, I am not letting that go. After that, I chilled a bit and did some reading. And then I went out for a bit to restock our fridge. Oh my god, yes I did. I even asked you if you needed anything. I did. But you didn't respond, so I just left anyways. And when I came back, I talked with the neighbors for a bit. Yeah, I forgot it again. I don't know how every time I go shopping, I almost forget to put the frozen goods in the freezer. Literally every time. Our neighbors looked at me weirdly when I suddenly rushed into the house. Luckily, I had a chance to explain it to them when I came back out. Yeah. Oh, shut up. Oh, what's that? Is someone's neck starting to hurt? I'll let you up if you promise me something. Promise me that you won't work on a report for the next 3 days. Oh, and you have to make dinner for the rest of the week. Deal? You know, if you think about it, you're getting more out of this deal than me. You get plenty of rest and lots of free time, then you can spend snuggling with me. So, do we have a deal? Oh, come on! You know it's better for your health. And it would make your little wolf girlfriend really happy. Yes! Pleasure making business with you, sir. Yeah. I don't think the kiss whenever they seal a deal in corporate offices. Now get up. Up, up, up. We're moving to the couch. Oh, and we should get extra blankets. Oh, and snacks. We should watch a movie. Or maybe a show. Yeah? Hey, what do you want to watch? I'm in the mood for something relaxing. Something that sets the perfect cuddling mood.